Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account, now move fast. Open Google Forms and create a blank form. Name it for the project so responses stay organized. Next, set the survey goal and pick target metrics like % satisfaction or Net Promoter Score. This guides question types. Create sections for logical flow and add 1-2 warm-up questions to lower drop-off. Once done, choose primary question formats, multiple choice, short answer, or linear scale, so you can build the first 5 questions efficiently. You're in the thick of it. Craft clear questions with one idea per item. For categorical choices, use multiple choice. For multi-select, use checkboxes. When you need intensity, use linear scale and label both ends. Make demographic questions optional to reduce friction. Then add sections to group themes and apply branching with go to section based on answer so respondents skip irrelevant items. Also use validation for numbers or email formats. As you progress, preview frequently to catch wording or flow issues. You're almost done. Polish the form by adding descriptions, images, or videos where context helps. Set confirmation text and decide whether to collect emails or allow anonymous responses. Adjust settings. Limit to 1 response, enable edit after submit, and choose response destination spreadsheet. Then distribute via link, email, or embed. After launch, monitor live responses and review summary charts. If issues appear, like missing branches or blank required fields, preview the form fully, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.